So every constituency it will be given 10,000 beds. Now, if you break it down, that means every household will be given about 50-day-old chicks, including feed.
Did you say household?
Households.
Every household in every constituency.
Every household.
In every
200
constituency.
households. 200.
Yes, you are now talking.
I don't want trouble with you, madam. Please.
Yeah.
All right, Abusafanya Mishra Nina. So, Andra, Honorable Dumelo Echo Account Committee, Ninim, Odi in Sembia Kotuja, Efa Nkukor Nkitinti, Abusia. What's here? What's in Semna, Honorable Dumelo Ekana, Ukra Ububefo. Obi baby say aden, Abusia. Say, any nine him say, the NDC, almost second biggest campaign message. And he say, Ombema a kukubu nkete any kuko, send a beya kukon nkofube, rare kukonu, se kukono tunkusiana ma tombina man may be. This is what President John Dramani Mahama ne promises, one of his promises, time now or campaign giddy. Abusia, until I war Ghana for be brajum say, Sa nkukubu nkete no, ebeba. Abusia, in Semna, Honorable Dumelo, Ede Tuja and Rani say, Omumudi Nkukornoba constituency by constituency, they will select 200 households. 200 households, no. Na ya amount 50 beds, 50 chicks. 200, you best select a few baku 200. Na ya amount 50 chicks. And no Ghana for be brave, say, honorable. Nkukor nkete na musimo de maye no sisi amusi when you come to our constituency now you select 200 houses na mama 50 chicks omo bechiche ni saying because udi 50 divided by 200 ne krana ebema 0.25 ebema 0.25 meaning say sa go nkete na musimu de ba na nkofo be ready to give them food and then the economy ni ade nyina no a kire say ebi benya ekukor no ne ti ebi benya ni feather ebi benya ni nine ebi benya ni nsa ebi benya ni huni ebi benya na aso sa na mo bechiche no because omunti asia even some of the houses krano efie ba ku mu krani pa be o mbe 20. If you back ni crab bet ma wo if you back 20 and I say 10 and I say em say 5 people cry no if you back one. So see you are giving half you funny saying 200 households, 50 beds, 50 chicks. How are they going to share it? Abusia, mumayenko na enko tie dia amafo eka because a lot of people ja papa. Any in sema honorable Dumelo Ronkasa de Tuja, Nembra, a buy a betos, Yamishrina.
200.
Yes, you are now talking.
I don't want trouble with you.
And Nkukor nkitinti no. Ye de Nkukor neba constituency na yafa every 200 household ni amo man. Enti di asem kra na ekwi. It's the 10,000 5 weeks old the Nkukor Beba constituency. Now ye say every 200 household momeje. Enti na ya sam ya mom feed. Enti Nkukor no nyi anoma ye den. No ma di. Go. Policies there who be pow. And to say be a abotwe wo ho ya nicely go on ho na aba na on be and tie kind. How are they even going to select your banny a kind 200 yes money be a and Nkukor be a 10 near about 200. Hey, na di asem kura ni. Where the policy munim se poultry farm no omo biggest challenge feeding. And Crawford wa bruchira I invest in a poultry farm and easy. The biggest challenge, you big poultry farm. In fact, in my eyes, we would and say, the poultry farm, then Asem Aba farms near ye. Ain't say even on a small scale now, person Yam fan kokwan komo bi woni fie. Yam fan kokwan komo bi woni. Me wo bre ma kokwa na wo bre me fie da. Me ye na me Into what problem will they solve? And kokwa $300 million now afia. Compare that to petrol every month be a $400 million at the kofaba. Anyway, yeah, said the Beko. Yeah, what issue to solve? The growing interest of people in poultry farm, they have no idea. They should take the barriers. Microphone say, almost year sometimes they don't even get the market. They don't get the market, no. You instead of you to solve it so that the commercial, the commercial. Na umbenye sika na ebia farm nipa bibiri dia ya adwuma no wo since say me solve commercial me di nkukọ ni mom komo nkrofo wo fie enti krofo ni ji nkukọ ni ofie a na omunyi a no marry na che say I mean what problem is this thing going to solve? Say to solve forex. Na forex nkukọ ahe na ekra year ekra nkukọ $1 billion. But when you say fuel every month you cry $400,000, $400 million. And to see a person solve forest issue, nkitinti solve. And now you want it's a comprehensive plan to help address the issue of the challenges that poultry farmers every year feeding and some challenges in the market. Market no omo person crofo beto no and na momo kra ma be say market ni say ye de sisi ye de nkukọ na hwan na wo akukọ wo ha ye de kukọ aba ni fi a obeja akukọ ni onam wo no nkoto akukọ abontin. Charlie, my name is Koba P. I like share and comment. I'm sure.
Abuzia, your minister, deputy minister for agriculture, Honorable Dumelo. Or see, Omuba constituency, every constituency biano, ombe seleti efie baku 200. Efie baku 200 and ya mamu, Nkukor nkitinti 50. Say munche efie nyina sa 200 houses no, efie baku 200 no, obianche sa Nkukor nkitinti no 50. Yedi be mamu, efie 200. John Dumalo Bogbolombe, John Dramani Mahama, Koklo Vivi, Obe Koko, given a minami, Meshamlani Koklo, or Razi, Neono Dra, the Koklo for Violet Rara, Obe, na you find your constituency, yo bona, Afore Karaka, 200. You are for a carcass, let's go 200. Na yoko Koklovi, Mama Black Ton, na upper 200 houses, Okata. And I asked myself, so if 200 houses have to share 50 chicks, and I have to use my calculator, my calculator, Mr. Dumelo, you said 200 houses. Debbie, 50 divided by 200. 50 divided by 200 houses will give us 0.25. It's a cookon, will be benya ni reading, and will be benya the tea, will be benya the comb. It's a cookon, yes, say, will be benya the tea, the reading, senior manina. Ayezu, Anna Yezu, about food and wakotuno, about food and wakotuno. You see, NDC is full of lies. How can you tell us, Udi nkuko nkete mba udi ubema nkofo fie baku 200 na o ma 50 chicks obecha ni say obecha ni say ana manje hu do you people manje hu